Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are well and safe. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do like this video. So most of the times I get the doubts from the students regarding internship. They ask me that what is the role of internship in a student's life, especially when you are from engineering background, right? And for most of them the problem is that somehow they are not able to get an internship in a good company, right, due to some criteria, or sometimes even they are not able to qualify the exams or so. And other companies and other places, other institutes which are providing the internship, so they are charging fees for it, very high fees for it, right? So now what to do? These kind of doubts I usually get, that what to do, that from where I can get the internship, I can get the exposure about the things, about the technology, about the I can get a certificate without investing a single penny. So that is the thing. So here in this video I will tell you about a platform from where you will get an internship certificate just by completing a project. So this is going to be like an internship itself, where a project will be assigned to you according to your choice and the technology you want to work in. A deadline will be given to you, and the given deadline you have to submit the project, you have to solve some questions, and if you pass the test, right, so then certificate will be provided to you. And this is totally a genuine certificate that you can mention in your resume, and this will lead to the chances for getting shortlisted for various job opportunities, right? Because most of the times students are not shortlisted for various opportunities, and they always used to say that, ma'am, I do apply in various companies but I'm not getting shortlisted. So what is the reason? The reason is that due to lack of skills. So you have to, in the world of IT, in the IT industry, if you want to survive, you have to keep your updated, even when you are a fresher and when you are a professional also. So you have to keep in touch with the technology, you have to update your skill set. So that is the thing, okay? So now in this video I will tell you about the platform where you can do the internship, you can get the certificate. So to know more about this, make sure to watch the complete video. Do share this video with the friends who are looking for, with your friends who are looking for an internship opportunity. This video is definitely going to be very helpful for them. Also do subscribe my channel. Do join us at our Telegram channel, that is Placement Podenge. Let's start with the video. So this is the platform I was talking about, that is Suvin Consultants and Technology Private Limited, right? So here you will get the internship that you are looking for, right? So as you can see, start doing internship here and enhance your resume like Rahul Sharma, some example they have given. Now what you have to do, so for applying to the internship, what you have to do? So register and choose your domain. So they have provided certain domains in which you want to do the internship, and the domain for which you will register, you will get the certificate accordingly. So for example, आप यहाँ देख सकते हो that they are providing 8 weeks internship, that is for 280 hours UI UX coding internship. Then here they have 4 weeks 140 hours internship, that is for hybrid web application coding internship. So this includes languages HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and framework Bootstrap, whereas this one includes HTML5, CSS3, TypeScript and framework Angular, right? And also they have mentioned that you will get to build look-alike front ends of popular websites like Medium, Tutorials Point, Hotstar, OPEX, Boat and so. And here also you can read the same. Also here they are providing 2 weeks internship, that is PHP MySQL coding internship, right? So languages are PHP, SQL, JavaScript, web service stack. This is Python Django coding internship. This is building chatbots for business using Google ML Engine internship. Building sample financial application using Java. This is 1 week internship. So where you have to do sentimental analysis using NLP libraries. And this is market basket analysis using association rule mining, right? And this one also, that is data analysis using pandas and scikit-learn. Now even you can go through it. So first you have to register and choose the domain. For example, you have chosen this one. So first of all, let's click on read more. So here you can see we are having the internship, that is UI UX HTML5 CSS3 coding internship for 2 weeks. For JavaScript, this is 2 weeks. This is for Bootstrap. This is Angular coding internship, 4 weeks, 140 hours, right? And this is, you can see, web application, PHP, MySQL coding internship. Suppose you want to do this data analytics using Python coding internship. So what you have to do? So just click on I want to know more, right? And then they have given some description. Then they have mentioned some prerequisite that it is expected that one taking this internship is hands-on with data analysis using Python. So this internship basically means that you have the idea about the things, about the technologies mentioned. Now you are looking for a platform where you can simply apply, and also you can get a certificate, an internship certificate regarding this, which you can mention in your resume. So for sure, your chances for getting shortlisted will increase, right? So if you want to do this internship that is for data analysis, so you must be clear about that. What is data analysis in Python? Also, at least you should be having a beginner level experience, as if mentioned here, right? And also they have provided some material if you want to learn, that is, you may like to get an overview to data analysis, so please click here. So just click here, right? And here, see, they have provided a PDF kind of things to read about the stuff. Okay, and then they are saying, okay, so here you can see our HR team job openings of Amazon to Zomato, Accenture to TCS with official application links on our company LinkedIn page. Now here they have 2 projects which you have to complete in 2 weeks, right? So do you have to complete this in 2 weeks? As you can see, this is performing analysis of meteorological data, and another one is recognition handwritten digits with scikit-learn. So just click on this one. So here for download project specs, you have to click here. And here, if you want to do this internship, so just click on I want to start my internship. And then they will send some details regarding this project and all to the registered email, right? And a deadline will be assigned to you that in how many days you have to complete this project. So in the assigned deadline, you have to complete this project 1, and then for this project 2, because for this whole internship, they have given a particular deadline of 2 weeks. So in the given deadline, you have to complete the projects. And after then, okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is use our helpful resources, follow step-by-step instructions to complete your internship, right? Then you have to submit your project before the deadline. This is very important. And then what you have to do, so our AI engine will assess your code through a 10-minute MCQ test. So they are going to take your 10-minute MCQ test to assess that yes, you have completed the project by yourself and you are having the idea. So if you pass that test, then you will be awarded your digital internship certificate, which you can mention in your resume, and for sure it is going to be very, very helpful for you. And you will be making the project, so it will help you to brush up the skills you are working on. So make sure to start doing the projects and earn a digital internship certificate. So if this video has helped you, so make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends, and make sure to subscribe this channel. On this channel, we always used to bring some helpful resources for the students that can be useful for all of you. So do subscribe and do join us at our Telegram channel, that is Placement 4 Bye-bye.